Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17, Shloka 14. Worship of the gods, the twice born, the teachers, and the wise. Purity, straightforwardness, celibacy, and non injury. These are called the austerities of the body.
Chapter 17, Shloka 14. Devadvijaguru prajna pujanam shaucham arjavam brahmacharyam ahimsa cha shariram tapa uchyate.
Chapter 17, Shloka 14. In order to classify three types of austerities, tapas, pursued by different types of people. First, what is tapas at the physical level, at the level of speech, and at the level of the mind is described in the next three shlokas. Austerity is not a life of self-denial only. It is an intelligent method of living in right relationship with the world of objects to avoid wasteful dissipations of our vital energies, to make them available for use in creating fields, and is called tapas. Tapas at the body level, one who is trying to come away from the personality layers must have devotion and reverence towards the devas, the deity, lived by the twice born, preached by the guru, and advised by the wise. Brahmins are twice born. They are not only born out of the womb, but also out of the womb of matter identifications to merge in the joy of perfection. Purity is integration within and cleanliness without. Free from a split personality by practice of straightforwardness in dealing with all. Contemplation of Brahman is only possible. Our nature is turned away from indulgence in sense objects, and the minds are trained to turn inward to the spirit. Non-injury. Physically, it is impossible to continue living without causing, even unconsciously, some sort of injury to others, but our attitudes can be changed so that the seemingly unavoidable harm itself can bring about a great blessing to the world. These are tapas intelligently pursued at the body level. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.